Okay then guys, listen for us please, we are going to play a 3-point domination game. Okay, armbands, you will be starting at this tent just behind me, and this will be your regen point. Instant respawn, every time you get hit, run back here, touch the tent and get back in. Okay, non-armbands, your regen point will be over the other side. We will show you where that is before the game starts. There's 6 flags, okay, in between here and the SAM site. There is a red flag and a blue flag. You must put your flag up and leave the other teams down. Okay, this will go on for 30 minutes. Okay? Like I said, they are spread out and you cannot move the opposing team's flag. They must stay where they are, so I don't want to see anyone digging a hole, burying the opposing team's flag. Leave it where it is. There is flags at the well, at the SAM site, and in between that. Your boundaries are nice and easy. The vehicle track that runs behind me, you're allowed on it. You're just not allowed to cross it any further this way. So you're not allowed in Whiskey and you're not allowed in this woodlands here. Okay, it is all down that left-hand side of the game field. And obviously you've got the A11 and you've got the railway track as well. Obviously please don't go jumping the fence. Make sure you stay within that boundaries at all times. Everyone happy and understand that, yeah? So instant respawn, there's 6 flags, you've got 3 each. Armbands, you're going to be a blue flag. Non-armbands, yours will be red. Okay, however many flags you got up at the end, we'll have a look and we'll see who wins after 30 minutes of domination. Any questions?
Right? I think I just gotta wait for him and then Jensen, him. Alright, we can go together, yeah? You haven't had a chance to use it yet, have you?
Well, I was waiting, but I got shot.
I would just be like, oh, hit!
Because I thought they were going to go for the flag, and if they went for the flag, I was going to lob it.
Yeah.
But they went past.
So does that have BBs in it, or is it just blank?
I can put powder, I can put BBs in it.
Oh, you put
Baby powder. Awesome. I looked up on YouTube. Literally, right? Got a 5 metre radius of explosions.
I think it's fine. Oh wait, I think that might be someone in the trees.
Can you see him or not?
No, I can't even see anyone. Well, I think I see someone in between the trees, but... no, I don't think it is. I think you're good.
No, it's not a person.
No,
I fucking wasted a load of bullets.
Yeah, that's what welcome to my world. I'm gonna push up with him.
Where did you get your gun from?
Me?
Yeah.
01 Airsoft on the internet, online. It's a good site. They're quite expensive though. But they do free two-tone, so if you don't have your car, it's a good place to buy online, but it's no longer two-tone, let's just say.
Good.
Yeah, alright, I'm with you in that one. Is my GoPro flashing red?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, cool. I just got that chain, that was pretty sick. Cheers. Shh. 12 o'clock. You got... Hit! Ah! That hurt. Oh, what the hell was that? I was put my hand on that.
So thank you guys for watching that short video from Thetford Foss, which is Combat Airsoft. It's an amazing site. I absolutely love it there. Really great. If you're in Thetford or near Thetford, Suffolk, I highly recommend going there. Good prices, really friendly staff. Yeah, so thank you for watching my first proper video on my channel. Please subscribe if you liked it, and if you're new, like if you did like it, and comment anything, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Awesome, thanks a lot. I'll see you guys later. Bye.